Nasturtium plant is a cool area flowering plant with a very unique look. And in this video, we will discuss how you can care for Nasturtium plant for maximum flowering. So keep watching and do subscribe to our channel. Nasturtium plant is a winter's annual flowering plant native to South America. It's a common plant that's also super easy to grow. They have different varieties like this dwarf variety or this creeper variety. You can choose whatever suits your interest. Their plants are available in the nursery during cold winter months. Plant them carefully and they will continue to grow with time. And their flowers appear in the early springs till the summer starts. The first and the most important thing for Nasturtium flower plant care is to understand its growing season. Nasturtium plant is a cool area plant that grow very well when the temperature is below 20 degrees Celsius. You can grow them during cold winter months. In a temperate climate area, they have a shorter life of 3 to 4 months only. While it's perfect for a cold climate country, basically they start their growth in the early winters up to springs. In summers, they can't survive. You can save their seeds for the next season. Overall, grow them in the winters when the temperature gets ideal and you will get the best results. Another important thing in Nasturtium plant care is their soil media. They like a well draining and loose soil mix that's also slightly acidic. They can survive in variety of mixes, but the best growth appears in such a loose and soft mix. You can simply mix a few ingredients and use for Nasturtium plant. Video is added in the description box. Try that recipe, and for watering the plant, let the upper layer of soil to dry and then water. And feel free to subscribe to our channel. Another important thing in Nasturtium plant care is their pot size. Nasturtium plant is a fast growing plant, so use a good size pot. For a dwarf variety, you can choose a smaller container, but for a creeper variety, choose a bigger container. A single plant can survive well in a 10 inches of pot. Buy grow bags from the description box because they are best for drainage. Plant them carefully and be patient after the transplant so they can recover. Another important thing in Nasturtium plant care is to place it where it should be. Ideal spot for Nasturtium plant is where it can get at least 3 to 5 hours of direct sunlight. Full day of winter's sunlight is very helpful to induce buds and flowers on the plant, so choose a good sunny area for Nasturtium plant. In a shade, this plant grow very slow and show yellow and drying leaves. So choose a sunny spot, and to discover more of such easy to grow winter flowers, follow the description box video. Another big thing in Nasturtium plant care is their proper fertilization. Nasturtium plant is an annual plant, that's why its nutrients requirement isn't so much. Any balanced fertilizer can work well, but you can use this homemade fertilizer and get best results. It's made for flowering plants to boost buds and flowers. Video on this fertilizer is added in the description box, and use this fertilizer every 2 weeks at the evening time. Pruning and deadheading of Nasturtium plant time to time helps in better and faster growth. You can simply cut off the dead flowers whenever they appear, and also prune the growing shoots, especially when the plant is younger. This will promote new branches on the plant, while deadheading is important to keep the flowers coming. Otherwise the plant can die and may reduce flowering. So simply follow this thing, and to learn more of such flowering secrets, you can buy this detailed ebook from the description box link. Nasturtium plant is a hardy plant that don't have so many diseases. Powdery mildew, root rot, yellow leaves, etc. are some problems that may appear. Pests like aphids can attack on Nasturtium plant, so if they appear, you should follow a proper treatment. Simply follow this video for a step-by-step guide of aphids treatment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.